So when you're finding surface area was the lateral area plus the area of the bases, and there's two bases, so we say 2 times the area of one of the bases. And let's say we have a triangular prism. But let's say they give it to you as a net. So this is what the triangular prism looks like normally. As a net, it looks like a long rectangle made up of a few smaller rectangles. Those are the lateral faces. These are the rectangular pieces. Form the biggest portion of the shape. So there's the one we can see, and there'd be one behind and one on the bottom. And then the triangular faces come up and out, kind of like a wing almost on these. So our triangle's been rotated a little bit, but we know it has a 6, an 8, and a 10. Usually they don't actually label the triangle itself. They label these sides of the prism. So this is the 6, the 8, the 10. These are all the lines formed. Like we have the line 6 here, which is used here and shown on the bottom of the triangle. Both of those are 6, even though they're only going to label that one as 6. And then we have the line here that's 8. Since that's where the triangle is actually drawn, it's only used once. But then again, they use the 10 twice. 10 is here. It's also here. And here, this is also a 10. And then the 14 would be labeled on this side. So then if they ask us for lateral area was the perimeter times the length of the prism. So perimeter is going to be these 6, 8, and 10. So on the net, it's this long side of the rectangle. So 6 plus 8 plus 10 is 24. And then for lateral area, we'd have 24 times the 14, which will give us 336. So if it asks for lateral area, we'd stop there. It could also ask you for the full surface area. So now we need to put the area of the bases and add it to the lateral area. So the base is a triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So when they give you a right triangle like this, the base is one side, one leg, and the height is the other leg of the triangle itself. So not the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is across from this right angle. So not the 10, but just the 6 and the 8. So 1/2 times 6 times 8 is 24. So full surface area is the lateral area, which we found, 336, plus 2 times the area of one base, so 2 times 24 on this one. We only found that this was 24, but there's 2 of these triangles, so that's why I have to multiply by 2. So we get 336 plus 48, which gives a total surface area of 384. So that's how you find the surface area when you have a net.